Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to raise and pair your Nintendo Switch to GCN. So that is the GameCube controller. Wireless and wired to your console. First step, if it is a malfunction, you have to use another controller or the touch screen to go to the controller pairing mode. And then we have on top of the controller, we have this the sync button. It's not the G or C button, it's the synchronization button, and we push and hold it until the LEDs are flashed on and switch and paired with the console as well. Then, of course, we are able to use a wired connect possibility too. So remove it out of the bag, and we can now dock an USB-C cable with your Nintendo Switch 2 dock and the controller, the GCN, and it will be automatically paired. So you can do it by pushing the button of the synchronization until it is flashing or moving, and then we are in the reset, perform that, and we can reconnect it to your console. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and give me positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.